Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the Autopilot investment app. So as you can see right here, we have the app. When you first sign up, it's going to ask you for your number, your email, and if you actually make 100 grand a year. So if you don't, then it's just going to suggest you to actually first accumulate the riches and wealth first before even entering the app. So if you do, you'll be proceeding into this. So this is the homepage. It's called Pick Your Portfolio. So you have your discover page right here. You can discover how they track people. So basically what it does right here is they track famous people from government parties and also top investors, billionaires around the world. So first thing you can do right here is check the top performers. So you can try, let's just say, let's go with trending people right here. You can find trending people or popular if you want to. There's this GPT portfolio, and as you can see, there's amounts invested right here on top on how much they have invested. There's new, there's AI, there's bearish, there's hedge fund, there's crypto. So let's try crypto right here. So companies with Bitcoin holdings. So you want to select this and then you will have to connect your broker. So you have to connect your broker right here. Once you do, you will have to actually agree that you will have to share brokerage API access and some basic personal information, of course, as usual, and bank level security. So Autopilot will use to connect that to Robinhood. So once you've done that, it's going to redirect you and it's going to show you the things that they are buying. So here, so let's go with Pelosi. You'll just have to see the current holdings right here, Nvidia, Google, and other more. So as we speak right now, Nvidia is a technology company, but they're overall down. So if you actually zoom in there, you will see how the portfolio has gone down almost 10%. So there. So as you can see, almost 15% actually, and in 1 week, and there. So the stock market is crashing right now, so it might be a good place to invest. So you want this tracker. So you will just have to select the Pelosi tracker right here and go to your brokerage, and it will show you how much you can invest and what to buy basically with the current holdings that are spread out right here using Autopilot. And it's just that simple. So that is how you use the Autopilot investment app. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.